Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cancel your Acorns account. First, understand that Acorns requires a specific process for account closure. You'll need to liquidate all investments and transfer funds to a linked bank account. It's important to verify your bank details are current. Also, be mindful that selling investments can have tax implications, so consider consulting a tax professional if you have questions about your specific situation. Before initiating the cancellation, you must withdraw all funds from your Acorns investment and checking accounts. Make sure to cancel any recurring investments or roundups to prevent new transactions from processing. It's crucial to confirm that there are no pending transactions, as these can delay the account closure process. This ensures a smooth transition and avoids any unexpected issues during cancellation. To begin, log in to your Acorns account using either the mobile app or the website. From your home screen, tap the profile icon, then navigate to Settings or Profile and Settings and select My Subscription. You will then find an option to close account or cancel subscription. Follow the on-screen instructions, which may include selecting a reason for closure. If you have a later or spend account, you might need to contact Acorns support directly to complete the process. After you've completed the cancellation steps, expect your funds to be transferred to your linked bank account within 3 to 6 business days. You should also receive a confirmation email from Acorns. Remember to keep an eye out for any important tax documents, like Form 1099, which you may need for filing. If you encounter any issues or have further questions, you can contact Acorns customer service by calling 855-739-2859.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.